Welcome to my review of TeamGantt, an online project management platform designed to help teams visualize tasks, deadlines, and progress through intuitive Gantt charts. If you've been looking for a tool that can streamline your project workflows and keep everything organized, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. The first thing that stands out with TeamGantt is its clean, user-friendly interface. When you first log in, you're greeted with a dashboard that clearly lays out all your active projects and timelines. You can easily create a new project, assign tasks, and add due dates, all from the main view. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it simple to move tasks around as needed. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating across multiple departments, the design is sleek and intuitive. One of the main features that sets TeamGantt apart is its Gantt chart. This tool allows you to visually map out the entire project timeline, showing task dependencies and project milestones in one glance. The Gantt chart is not just a static visual, it's interactive. You can adjust the duration of tasks, add dependencies, and update progress with just a few clicks. This level of detail is perfect for teams that need to manage multiple projects simultaneously and keep track of deadlines. TeamGantt also shines in its collaboration tools. It allows team members to comment on tasks, attach files, and even communicate directly within the platform. You can also integrate with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, which makes sharing resources and keeping everyone on the same page much easier. The ability to invite clients and external stakeholders to view project progress without giving them full access to everything is a nice touch. Pricing is another consideration, and TeamGantt offers a variety of plans to suit different needs. There's a free version that's great for small teams or solo project managers. For larger teams, you'll want to check out the paid plans, which offer additional features such as advanced reporting, resource management, and unlimited collaborators. Overall, the pricing is competitive with other project management tools, especially considering the quality and ease of use. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another great feature of TeamGantt is its mobile app, which makes managing tasks on the go a breeze. Whether you're in the office or on-site, you can update tasks, communicate with your team, and track project progress from your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for both iOS and Android, and it syncs seamlessly with the desktop version, so no matter where you are, you're always in the loop. Overall, my experience with TeamGantt has been extremely positive. It's a powerful tool that simplifies project management without overwhelming users with complex features. Whether you're a project manager, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, TeamGantt offers the tools you need to plan, track, and collaborate effectively. If you're in the market for a project management tool, I highly recommend giving TeamGantt a try. It's perfect for teams looking for a simple yet powerful way to keep their projects on track. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one.